how could I be such a bad wannabe? Didn't care for my life, only drug qualities came in quantities. Addiction lover, being told every day stop smoking by my mother. Look at what you're doing to yourself and little brother. You need to fix your life and get from out the covers. I nod like I agree, but deep inside is a disease locked inside my veins and destroyed all the keys. So the day was unpredictable, also so despicable. To the world I was a shower and I was invisible. Went to go party and my mom didn't know. For some damn reason I just thought that I could go. Homeboy calls, let's hit the back road. If you say no, you ain't got a backbone. Boy, I'll be there quicker than you can hang the phone. Better be outside waiting or be left all alone. We hit it straight away, the dude hits the gas. Driving crazy on the going too fast. A dip hits hard with no time to respond. No power came from God, cause it came from beyond the level that extends between the fact and the fiction. Dead upon arrival, called upon my description. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 more rows. Now I'm flat on my face, looking at my soul. No seatbelt, I was ejected, but somehow through it all my body was resurrected. It put me through some pain and I felt the misery. At the end of it all I had a lot of injuries. Broke neck, road rash, cracked ribs, a whole list. Got so pissed, punched the wall, broke my wrist and my fist. Everybody won't assist. It's funny how before no one knew that I exist. They saw my pictures on the news, a face you couldn't miss. No surprise what they said, who was this? I don't know, some kid who crashed and almost died. Ejected from the car, ain't a ride. Yeah, it hurt to a point, but I never cried till I saw my mom walking in with tears in her eyes. Through it all in the night, she was right by my side. 90 on the road for an hour-long drive. Can you imagine the emotions inside? Being told on the way her son may not survive. I get a call from a guy and she don't know why. Be told he's alright, just a B, it's a lie. All I do now is apologize. Wear a neck brace so I won't be paralyzed. It haunts me at times and I feel traumatized. Any place I would go, I would feel criticized. I see it in their eyes, I walk on by, talk behind my back to see if I would try to turn around and talk smack, walk away and laugh. I wouldn't take the chance to split my life in half. And the fact that I had to put it in a rap to explain what I did was such a foolish fact. Before it went down, all I felt was really trapped. And when I crashed, I landed on a life raft. No more an outcast, I'm free at last. Pour gas on my cast and toss the match. When the flame rose high, the ash fast. Relief and on my eyes, my past. Life is such a riddle and I'm caught up in the middle. I've been trying to talk to God ever since that I was little. If he can walk on water, I can make a ripple. Can take the trouble that was doubled and try and make it triple. Saving money for a year, simple, and give it to the people who are clearly crippled. They share the same thoughts and they have the same fears, and know how hard it is to fight tears. United as we are, all we'll ever be is human till the truth inside the Bible comes to be proven. This battle versus evil has the weakest minds losing, while the greedy rich folks are chilling back and cruising. But Jesus comes, and the fact they'll be thrown inside a fire, no black. God has given me a chance to start over. It was 1 in a million, like a 4-leaf clover. Gave me more luck than a lucky dice roller. Now my main goal in life is to be sober. If I think about smoking, I just look below my shoulder to see a scar that I'll see even when I'm older. When the days are so hot and the nights grow colder, I find the purpose in my life before it's over. I want to thank every person who has given hope and given me the strength to throw away the rope. I got so low below, but I still don't regret it, cause dwelling on the past makes me pathetic. It doesn't even matter, I'll show it in the fines. Never go forward, always rewind.